video, we're going to cover off 3 more subjects. And Amar and I were just talking off camera about the fact that we could go into so much more detail on all of these, and we will. But for now, we're just going to keep this foundational level. So let's talk about print on demand. Now, you've done this before, haven't you?
Mm-hmm. Yep.
So share.
So what I really like about the print on demand is, and this is why it's so much easier with AI as well. Before, you had to have a graphic designer who was good. You had to create all your artwork and whatever you wanted on your T-shirts or your mugs or your coasters. Then you'd put them into what's called a print on demand system. Now, print on demand is basically, you don't have to carry any stock. You just upload your creative, your artwork, and then it will be put onto a coaster or a mug mat or whatever, right? And it's like, but it's then shipped out intelligently. The way that this has evolved in the last 10 years, I would say, it's there's printers that are working with these print-on-demand companies in every single country in the world. So stuff gets printed. The order comes in on your website. It goes straight to the system. The system farms it out to a print-on-demand printer in that country, which then gets printed, packaged, shipped to the end customer, and you make a commission on every sale. But because I've been sort of prepping for where we're going to train this, because we've got a brilliant module on this, they've even taken it to the extent now that you can have print-on-demand nutraceuticals. You all can have your own entire range of vitamins and supplements and everything else printed with your logos. One of the areas I see us taking this with community is that we're going to move into like hemp and bamboo clothing, fabrics that are healthy for you. So we're going to launch our own version of this where we just have lots and lots of cool designs. Because if you think about it, when you go into a retail shop, all you're doing is buying someone's design. Generally, the cuts are all the same, whatever. So we're going to go down the route of putting thousands of really cool, funny, witty designs onto stuff like hemp and bamboo T-shirts that get put out on print on demand. The big advantage of this is, because one of my best mates has launched a fashion brand, and it's like I went into the nuts and bolts of what goes behind that, and you've got to carry a lot of stock, especially when you're doing women's clothes. Dudes aren't so bad because we don't generally send stuff back. We see what we like. We know what fits us. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
We don't need 3 different sizes and to try it and everything. But that, for the fashion industry, is a huge problem of just, having to keep all of those different size ranges in. So whereas with print on demand, it's literally like it says, it's 0 headaches. All you've got to do is come up with a creative. And I think what we were saying is at the end of this section, we're going to do like a mock what you've learned on all of this journey, and we'll show you how easy it is to create the artwork now. And that's one of the huge benefits of AI.